Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a video showing you the unboxing of the Panasonic ER217 washable beard and hair trimmer. This trimmer is not only recommended for your facial hair, but it's also good for your body hair. The back of the box, you got all the product description. It's washable for easy maintenance. It's got 15 step levels and it's got a nice dial so that you can easily adjust depending on what size you're looking for. It's also got a thinning attachment which gives your hair a natural looking finish. Trim also has a dual operation mode. You can use it either with a wall socket with a cord plugged in, or you can use it just by giving it a good charge and use it as a cordless. It's also got a nice indicator when you plugged into the charger. Let's see what's inside the box. So that's your charger. The charger's got a bit of weight, so it's not really the best thing for travelers. However, for home use, it's the perfect product. Trimmer is solid and it's got a great grip. It's also made in Japan. That's the oil for your motor, and it's got a tiny little brush for cleaning. That's your on off button. The dial is very smooth. You can also take off that attachment. That's the thinning attachment, which gives your hair a very natural looking finish. The best part, I would say, is that the blade comes off for easy cleaning and maintenance. And it's so easy, you just gotta give it a push and it comes off. And in order to put it back, you just put that small little notch in its place and then just push that blade onto the trimmer. That's it. So easy. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do like and do subscribe. Cheers.